We have 4 things to remember. The first one is the Beanieverse and Chorus Songwriting Festival for the Blooms and by the Blooms. Ito ay ongoing until June 30.
Wow. Okay, so the second is the new Beanie content. We've got the Beanie Versus episodes dropping every week, and we have Beanie Chapter 3 premiering on I Want TFC tomorrow, June 12. Pero sa mga Blooms na nandito, may exclusive look tayo later sa Cine, our screening sa Cinema 5 to 6 right after dito. So dito sa Trinoma, pre-registration doon na sa beanie.global para makapanood na kayo.
And of course, ongoing pa din po ang registration natin para po mamaya. And third one, we also have itong upcoming announcements about the photo book and anniversary merch. At ito pa, super exciting and super excited na ba ang lahat for the upcoming Beanie Cosmetics?
Excited na ba kayo sa Beanie Cosmetics? Kailangan guys may energy. Energy tayo always because you are the best fans that we have, and we also owe it to the Beanies. And number 4, syempre inaabangan natin ang pag-uwi ng Beanie this coming June 29. Magkikita tayo ulit sa Here With You, the Beanie Homecoming Fan Meet. Will you be there?
So that will happen on June 29. So pupunta ka ba doon, Jazz?
Pupunta ako doon. Pupunta tayo, magkikita tayo doon.
Sa kumpleto na natin yung event ng Beanie, and syempre pupunta tayo doon, no? At mamaya rin, we have big prizes, of course, for the winners of Blooms Got You Covered, our talent competition for Beanie covered groups. The grand winner will get the chance, of course, and be invited doon sa ating Beanie Homecoming Fan Meet here with you.
Ang dami talaga natin reasons to celebrate and to be happy today and have a happy Blooms Day. Kaya meron tayong mga kapamilya na syempre gusto din mag-celebrate with you, Blooms. Kaya habang hinihintay natin, hindi na, tapos na pala ang Beanie, nakausap nyo na. Let's call on our special guest.
Of course, ito sa atin maraming makikiselebrate na guest artists from the kapamilya. At dito, Beanie, sita tayo para makisaya sa ating party for Beanie. Please welcome JM Ibarra and Fiang Smith.
Oh, thank you po.
Of course, patingin muna natin ang ating Blooms na kasama natin ngayon.
Hi, Blooms! Magandang umaga po! So thank you, JM Fiang. Dahil nakiselebrate kayo ngayon sa Blooms or Happy Blooms Day. Thank you sa oras nyo.
Yes, oo naman, of course. Basta sa ating Beanie.
Yes.
And syempre, alam naman naming busy kayo. Tama? Busy? Ah, okay. Konting chika naman tayo. Syempre, alam naman natin na we belong, of course, in the same management. At maraming times na nakakasalubong natin ng Beanie. May it be sa hallway man yan, sa workshop man natin yan. So, curious lang ang ating mga Blooms. Baka meron naman kayong somehow exclusive na pwedeng i-share sa ating mga kasamang Blooms ngayon kung anong experience niyo with the Beanies.
Nako, alam nyo ba, ang Beanie, sobrang sipag niyan. Every time na nag-rehearsal sila sa ELJ, no? Sa ELJ building sa ABS. Grabe, maririnig nyo, paulit-ulit tumutugtog yung kanta nila. Kasi paulit-ulit talaga nilang pinapractice para every time na magpa-perform sila sa inyo, perfect na. Diba? Sobrang sipag nila. And lahat sila mabango. Grabe. Mabango talaga. Lahat sila mabango. And very hardworking talaga.
Thank you so much, Frank. How about you, JM?
Ako, madalang kasi hindi ako lumalabas na room eh. Ang madalas ko makasalubong si Beanie Colette. Colette Madelon. Ay, nasa likod pala.
Ah, ibang kulit yun!
Ibang kulit yun eh. Pero ito na lang. Siyempre, curious din ang ating Blooms. Ano naman ang masasabi natin or song of Beanie na magde-describe sa relationship nyo ngayon?
Song from Beanie na ano nyo, tip song galing sa Beanie. Ano ba?
For me, yung wag muna tayong umuwi.
O, payag ka ba dun, Piang? Wag daw muna kayong umuwi.
Dito lang daw kayo, Pia.
Dito tayo tulog. Sa akin naman, yung lagi, of course.
Bakit lagi?
Lagi!
Curious lang din kami, bakit lagi yung song na from Beanies about your relationship?
As a relationship,
Hindi kasi
lagi
nakikinig
naman.
eh.
Lagi. Alam mo yun? Kailangan mo talaga sabihin.
Oo, tinatanong.
Bakit sa kanya hindi mo tinanong?
Hindi, gets na kasi agad yung sahog na.
Oh, lagi. Ano ba yung nasa lyrics ng lagi? Diba?
Patahin mo daw yun.
Wow. Lagi na umaawit,
Diba?
Okay. Ready na sa concert!
Uy, ang ganda yung boss ka, no?
Okay, Fiang and JM, thank you. So magbigay naman kayo ng message to our Blooms kasi special day din nila to.
Ayan, happy 4th anniversary, Blooms! Ayan, sana patuloy niyo pa ding suportahan ang ating Bini. Yan! Oh, ito na! Tingnan natin kung energetic sila. Heaven! Energetic sila. Ayan, happy 4th anniversary! Ba't huwag niyo silang iiwan, ah? Dapat!
Of course, they love you. And they also love the Beanies and the Blooms, of course. At syempre, alam naman natin na sobrang busy nyo din. Pero saan nga ba naman kayo dapat abangan?
Ayan, guys! Yes, magkakameron tayo ng album launch. Magkakameron po tayo ng album launch sa June 22 sa New Frontier Theater sa may Cubao. Di pa siya sure, ang ganda. And ayan, available pa din yung ticket up until now. You can visit my ticket sa ticketnet.com. Thank you!
See you there.
Ano pa, may iba pa kaming papanoorin. Saan pa namin kayo papanoorin? Kayong dalawa.
Ayun, of course, abangan nyo rin po ang aming upcoming na digital series na Ghosting. Ayan, malapit na po yan. And,
Yes,
oh,
at madami pa kayong aabangan. As in, madami pa talaga. Yan! Thank you, Kuya Dom!
And of course, thank you so much to our blooming, lovely couple, JM and Fiang!
Thank you for joining us today sa Blooms Day. Okay. Mamaya ng debriefing.
Bakit ako inhalo ni Fiang? Bakit?
Inaway.
Baka ano lang.
Hindi.
Ma-misinterpret.
Oh, clear it,
Gets
clear
na
it.
nila yun, gets na nila yun.
Gets nyo ba, Bloom?
Yes, yun ah.
Gets, kayo ikaw naman.
Ako din, gets ko din.
Defensive ka.
Hindi ako defensive. Nagulat lang ako.
Okay, thank you so much, JM and Fiang, for celebrating
Thank you so
your
much,
day with the Blooms today.
Salamat
And
po.
we hope to see Fiang sa concert niya and manood ng digital series nila na Ghosting. Manood kayo, Bloom! Slaves. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JM
Thank you,
Fiang.
JM
thank you,
Fiang.
bye-bye. Love you all.
Grabe. So, first pa lang yun sa mga guests natin today na makikiselebrate sa atin today. May energy pa ba kayo? Para hindi ko masyadong rinig doon. May energy pa kayo?
Dito sa kanan. Dito sa kaliwa.
Dito naman!
Paano naman yung mga nasa taas natin, Jazz?
Well, I see you. Kayo
Kita din
tatlo.
natin dito sa mga nasa
Oo,
fourth floor,
nandun
third
sa
floor.
fourth
Hello,
floor.
hello, Blooms!
Grabe, ang dami nating aabangan ngayon, Kuya Jake. So, tapos na tayo sa video call natin. Meron tayong Biniland, Kuya Ding. Ano makikita natin sa Biniland?
Curious ba ang lahat? Ano yung Biniland?
Curious din ako eh.
And of course, we have the Biniland and you will see first, the original outfits worn by Beanie. So sa lahat ng mga So of course, hindi lang naman to Blooms Day nila. Blooms Day natin to dahil you also is a Bloom. Tama po ba? Kailan nag-start ang pagiging Bloom ni Ray?
Siguro when I was in school pa, like mga grade 10 like that. Kasi narinig ko yung Beanie and then I got curious, parang it's so so chinek ko sila and I was like, oh my gosh, ang laughable na personality nila. They're so fun, they're so pretty, so I became a Bloom talaga. Yes.
So, since nakasama mo na yung mga Bini natin, sa ABS, sa mga balls that we actually had, ano yung favorite interaction mo sa kanila na pwede mong ma-share sa Blooms?
Pwede mo share. Ano naman? Okay, so my first talaga with them was the AP. No, the ano yun? so much.
The Christmas special, ABS, diba? Ako yung ano, partner. Konsi sa Araneta.
Oh my gosh! I know this song.
Sabi sa inyo, di ba? Sobrang hyper nito.
Oh my gosh! I posted it in my Instagram. Like, we were invited to watch Beanieverse in Araneta the first day. Tapos napansin ako ni Beanie Gwen and Beanie Colette. And they held my hand, bro. Oh my god. I was so happy kasi parang fresh pa yun outside BBB. So, it was so, parang I cannot believe na I was seeing them. Like, nandito lang sila, nasa truck. Tapos they held my hand. Oh my gosh! Hindi ako nag-wash ng hand. Wow!
Pero sa second day, kasi nandun din kami,
Yo!
nakita siya ulit ni Billy Gwen. Anong sinabi or ginawa ni Billy Gwen sa'yo?
Oh my gosh, he said, "Toop!"
Kasi nakita siya ulit ni Billy Gwen. So, syempre, let's give a round of applause to a certified Bloom. And we're so excited for your performance.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
And once again, let's give it up for
Rain Salmar!
One last message to our blooms.
Ang masasabi ko lang po, let's keep being a Bloom kasi it's the 4th year and that's amazing already. What more sa 5? Right?
Tama rin. At wait, may balita kami, nandito daw si Beanie Colette.
Hindi pa.
Sorry, Kuya Ding. Hello? Kuya Ding, may one song pa si Ray.
Ang galing!
Teka lang. Sorry, Blooms. Mali na. Sorry po.
That's alright because we are a Bloom.
Ito na.
Alright.
Once again, let's give it up for Rain Salmar!
Oh.
One message to our blooms for today.
Okay. Oh, deja vu? Or nangyari na to? But like, ang message ko lang po talaga as a fellow Bloom po is, let's keep supporting Beanie because they deserve the support that we're giving. We're giving them kasi grabe naman. Tingnan mo, LDR naman tayo with them right now, di ba? But then, let's go! 4th year!
Many more years to come.
Yes, many more years to come to our lovely Beanie girls. Don't wash my hand.
Pero may narinig ako, nandito daw si Colette.
Si Beanie Colette?
Sinong Colette yan? Of course, masyadong namang malayo ang flight kung si Beanie Colette yung inaantay natin dito, tama? So, ibang Colette muna ang makakasama natin for today to celebrate.
Palakaibigan nila. Oo, cute din. Cute sila eh. Kaya ganito yung hair ko kasi gusto ko maging idol ko sila.
True. Okay. Hindi kasi naalala ko yung time na nakita ni Colette, yung Beanie, nakaganon siya. Ate Jess!
Oo, nakatayo lang ko. Ate Jess,
Ate Jess! Hala, si Minnie Mika! Hala, si Minnie Aya! Ganon si
Hindi ko siya
Colette.
pwede malapitan kasi para baka maakala nila ano ako doon ba? Yung para tagalina.
Uy, grabe naman si Colette.
Nag-iisip sa'yo.
Grabe naman. For love ka ng Blooms. And love ka, of course, ng
hello po.
Yes. So, Colette, palakpakan naman natin because our new recording artist dito si Colette. So, Colette, show us what you've got.
Of course, malaking inspirasyon ang Beanie sa career ni Colette. And once again, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's give it up for Colette Madelo!
Kasi nag-bloom lahat ng mga fans ng Beanie today. Diba? Tama! Tama!
Thank you so much, Colette, for joining the happy anniversary, of course, of our Blooms. Pero may isang tanong pa, bago muna tayo umuwi, may isang tanong ang Beanie para kay Colette, kay Rain, at sa lahat ng Blooms.
So, sabi nga ni Beanie Mika, do you guys know Shaggedy Shaggedy Shampoo?
Yes, of course. Kumakalat na siya sa nationwide.
Wow!
So, ikaw, Rain, do you know Shaggedy Shaggedy Shampoo?
Shaggedy, Shaggedy. I know the song, but not the dance yet. Kasi, hindi ako dancer, pero I will learn because of Beanie. I'm a Bloom eh.
Yes! Grabe po.
Okay, so panoorin muna natin yung Beanie version.
Diyos ko, ano?
namin yung mga TikTok videos yun. Thank you to all our 6 blooms. And
Thank you,
Thank
Rain.
you.
Thank you, Colette.
Bye-bye.
Palakpakan ulit natin sila, Blooms. Rain.
thank you.
My vlog, pinahirapan niyo ako.
And don't forget to stream our kantas.
Let's go! Bye-bye!
Thank you, bye-bye!
Is there? Okay. Hello po. I'm Kenji Estrada, and I'm here to sing for you today. And I just want to thank you all for being here. If you know this next song, please sing along with me. Let's go. Apo.
Katie, thank you so much. Pinakilig ko yung mga blooms dito. Hanggang
you.
4th floor.
Hello, Blooms.
So, Katie, ano ba yung message mo para sa blooms natin today?
Yeah, I just want to say to the Blooms, you guys are supporting the right people. Beanie is such an amazing artist. Swear, Beanie are such an amazing girl group. Sobrang sipag nila, and they're super talented. They're a testament to how Filipino music is at peak right now. And thank you so much for your support also, and thank you for coming here to watch. Happy Blooms Day and happy 4th anniversary to Beanie.
Thank you so much, Katie. Pero ikaw naman, saan ka namin pwedeng abangan?
You guys can follow me on IG, KD Estrada, and also on X, KD Estrada. Thank you.
Yun,
Thank you, Katie.
naabangan ko ng mga blooms. Thank you so much, Katie, for sharing your talent and celebrating Blooms Day with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Katie. So, Blooms, balita ko si Sheena naman ang next magpa-perform. Kanina si Colette, tama?
Tama.
Ngayon naman si Sheena.
May Sheena? Bini Sheena? Eh!
Pero ang layo ng Texas Jazz. So, isang blooming Sheena Bellarmino naman ang makakasama natin. So give it up for Star Magic artist, Sheena Bellarmino!